Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurtashing Adventures. And for today, nandito na kami ngayon sa Hakodate. And we're staying here in Hotel My Stays, Hakodate Station. So, few minutes lang or few steps away the Hakodate Station, mararating nyo na tong hotel na to. So, let's have a quick room tour now. We're staying here at room 1167. So, dito pagpasok nyo, you will see the comfort room. So, sa comfort room, meron ng bathtub, merong automatic toilet, and also, yung kanilang sink. Provided na din dito yung mga toiletries na kailangan natin, like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and meron na din silang facial wash dyan. Pagpasok mo naman sa room, ito yung room niya. It's a 50% Japanese style. So, dito muna tayo sa Japanese style na side. So, meron siyang tatami floor. Ayan, tatami floor siya. And, pwede kayong maglatag ng mga futons. Ayan, may dalawang futon na ready dito. And then, over here may mga Japanese chair that you can use. Ito naman yung mini fridge nila. Ayan, walang laman. Ito namang malaking cabinet na to is lagayan siya ng mga extra futon pa. So, pwede pa kayong magdagdag ng futon if you have more people staying in the room. Over here naman is a closet. So, pwede nyo ihang yung mga jackets niyo. Tapos, pwede nyo ding i-keep yung mga luggage nyo dyan. Tapos, meron din silang provided dito na table. You can use it for dining. And if you want to work, pwede din dito kayo mag-laptop. Tapos, if you're not using it, paghihiga na kayo sa tatami floor, pwede nyo i-insert doon yung table. Ayun, doon sa butas na yan. So, dito naman guys is the TV. So, meron sila dyang TV. Tapos, ito yung remote. Hindi pa namin na-open. I'm not sure kung may Netflix or YouTube siya, but maybe local channel. Tapos meron dito yung drawer. May mga laundry bag lang na nakalagay. And this is what? Mobile device cable. So meron silang pang charge. Pag nakalimutan nyo yung charger nyo, may available na dito. On this side naman is the western style na side ng room. So meron siyang dalawang queen size bed. Tapos, meron na din siya ditong safe. Provided na yung safe dito. And meron siyang alarm clock na naka-built-in. And then, may lamp and of course, yung phone to contact the reception area. And since winter ngayon, guys, dito sa Hokkaido, yung mga hotels, usually they don't use aircon. So, naka-heater ang setup ng mga aircon nila. So, pag inopen nyo yan, ang lalabas is warm air. So, if you want na cooler yung room ninyo, what you can do is to open the window. Ayan o, na-open naman yung window para pumasok yung cool air. And yan. And right outside our window, makikita nyo na yung JR station. That's JR Hakodate Station. Diyan kami galing kanina. In every floor, there is a microwave oven that you can use to reheat your food. Meron din sila dito mga rental items like hair iron. Sa first floor naman, located yung mga vending machine to buy drinks. Dito din located yung kanilang laundry area, water server, at saka yung ice machine. You are free to get your water and ice unlimited. Pero pag maglalaba kayo, it's a coin laundry so you have to pay for it. And pagka naman mag-check out na kayo but you still have to explore Hakodate just like what we did, you can use the self-service cloakroom ng hotel. This is where you can store your luggage. Meron na din ditong lock. And may mga lockers na din for your small bags where you can keep it. So all you have to do is find the vacant space tapos put your luggage there and then create your own pin para sa lock. Ganon din naman sa mga lockers. And then you can explore Hakodate on your own pace hands-free. Sobrang ganda din ng location ng hotel na to because it's just in front of JR Hakodate Station and nandoon na din yung bus stop. They have a bus going to Mount Hakodate Ropeway and also a bus going to Goryakaku Tower. Walking distance na lang din siya sa Hakodate Morning Market where you can enjoy a lot of seafood choices. And we also enjoyed walking going to Lucky Pierrot. This is one of the restaurants na dito mo lang sa Hakodate makikita. Super affordable yung stay namin dito sa hotel na to because we booked through Agoda. And it only costs us 6,673 pesos. That is only good for 4 adults for an overnight stay. So parang 1,666 pesos lang per head. And if you'll use my discount code, KURTAGODA to book your hotels, you'll also get 10% discount kaya mas makakatipid pa kayo. Kaya naman if you're planning to explore Hakodate, itry nyo na din ang Hotel MyStay's Hakodate Station. Great location, spacious rooms, good for the family, may magagandang amenities, and affordable ang price. Muna guys for our vlog in Hakodate area, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts. This is Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!